Hey guys, thought today I would do something a little bit different. I thought I would just compare two crawfish traps. This is the Frabill two-piece crawfish trap. It just fits together like so, and the clip goes right here. This is the Southbend Crawfish Trap. Got the hole right there in the front. There's your door. Now, to try to make this as even as I can, I baited these with bacon. That's just a piece of mesh with two pieces of bacon, and it's suspended right in the middle. Also on this one, I took two pieces of bacon, put it in some mesh, and I suspended it right in the middle. Now, like I say, this is a comparison video. If you'd like to see the unboxing and demonstration of these, heck, look down there in my description. I've got quite a few crawfishing videos. You'll find them there. You can also see me and my grandkids catching a crawfish out of a crawfish hole with a string and a piece of bacon. That's a fun video to watch. So let's go put these side by side in the road ditch and leave it a few hours and see what we can catch. All right, I'm fixing to put them in the ditch side by side, and we'll come back and see. Alright, let's let them set a few hours. We'll come back and we'll see if we got anything. Well, I've left these in the ditch overnight. I thought I would pull them in, and I'm just going to count them and see how many's in each trap, if there is any. I got a little basket. I'll put them in. We'll take a look and we'll see what is in each trap. Then we'll decide which one's better. Alright, this is the Southbend Crawfish Trap. Well, you can see there was 4 small ones in the Southbend. Of course, that's just like I say, I only left it overnight. So let's check the Frabill and see what it looks like. I see some big ones in this one. There you have it. If you're wanting to pick a crawfish trap, this Frabill's definitely the better trap. Catches bigger ones, catches a lot more. So hey, hopefully this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, catch you later.